that crazy wind, I got blown into this tree. I need someone to save me. Help me!
Have no fear, Super Mickey is here.
Oh boy, Super Mickey!
Now hang on tight, Minnie. We'll get you out of that tree in no time.
Oh, thank you, Mickey. I'm so glad you're here to save me. It was just so windy.
It's what we superheroes do, Minnie. We save the day. Now let's go get you to safety.
Oh, Mickey, I don't know how I'll repay you. Here's a thank you kiss.
No problemo, Minnie. I'm off to find others in danger.
Bye, Mickey. Bye.
Oh, it is pretty windy out here. Oh. Wouldn't you know it? Now Super Mickey's stuck in a tree because of that wind. Could use a little help.
Oh no! Super Mickey's stuck in a tree! I'll save you, Mickey! Super Goofy to the rescue! Yahoo! Don't worry, Super Mickey. It's me, Super Goofy, here to rescue you from this tree and get you down on the ground safe and sound. Gosh, you're really stuck. Hang on tight, Mick. I got you. Away we go! I can see my house from here.
Gee, thanks, Super Goofy, for saving me. Now I can go save other people.
No problem, Mickey. Anything for a friend. Off I go. See you next time.
Right. Super Mickey off to find more people in danger and save the day. What's that? I think I hear someone now.
This way, Mickey, this way! Help, help! Gee, I got stuck on this slide.
Don't worry, Blippi. I'll save you.
Wow, Mickey, you're my best friend.
No worries, Blippi. We'll take you straight to safety.
Whoa! Gee, thanks again, Mickey, for saving the day.
No problem, Blippi. I'm off to save another.
Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to Choo Choo Let's Go for more videos like this.